Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the update so far. I'll put another coat of red on here. Had a little bit of zebra stripes in it, but I want to walk down it so you can show you. Blacked out the kickboard. Up in here, I had to make do between one can, so I outlined it just to help try to protect it. But it appears to be my sad news. This is not the same as this. This appears to be flat black, primer black, because it does not have no shine to it at all. So I think I might have done maybe too wide of a coverage, and the wood is just sucking it up, because it still is shiny in certain areas. But that's the texture I'm after, just like that. And like that across the armrest. That way it seals up the edges. So like I said in the other videos, I like to try to project the black look down this way. Okay, regardless of what I did there, that's fine. So I'm going to black out the inside of that, because it's going to be used more. So when you look down it from behind, you can see how it's nice and red all the way through. So when you come down the sides here, you can see the black sides. I think that really sets it off pretty nice. And then the other video, you can see there were zebra stripes in that. I put another coat on there. And now I red out the bottom. So, and we got a nice glossy shine, but not too much. That's what I'm after. And well, we replicated it the same way down this side. And I'm really hoping that that's a shadow. Yeah, it's a shadow. Thought I got black overspray. So these are going to get black leather bench seats and backrest. So I got the pattern in my head how I'm going to do it. They will be removable, but velcroed. So I'm going to trace this out onto a piece of plywood, and then that's what I'll use as a template for my bench seat. And I may have it come out here, wrap around this way and wrap out so it protects the corners, but still shows the corners. And then have it possibly do the same thing here. And then make the seats to where they're removable. So if you get dust or anything trapped in behind there, you can blow it out using a leaf blower. And then I'm going to put some kind of rubber matting in here. But I'll seal that wood up first. Gotta go out and get some more black paint so I can seal that up. And I touched up across here because it had, again, them zebra stripes, and the same thing down the sides here. So she got a fresh coat of paint. So I wanted exactly what you see there, the wood grain showing through all the way down the whole side. So it gives it contrast, gives it character. And then I also blacked out the steering column to give it more of a metal look to it. And again, I blacked out there, blacked out there. All this will be blacked out. Nice good heavy coat of paint on the floors. And then I got some rubber mat that I'm going to put down in here, especially here in the front. That's what I'm going to do first, is the black rubber mat here in the front. If I can find a mud flap that's big enough, that'll work. And then I'll probably put sealer around the edges so that way water can't get in underneath the wood. And then we still got our fenders. We got to shape, make them rounded a little bit, and coat those in satin black. And then that'll look really good up against the red and the black armrest. So, and then this is just a temporary until I get the actual piece to go there. And then I like the steering wheel, but it's got too modern of a look. But from out here, you can't tell. So I'm not going to worry about it. I'll keep that there. That's not playing a major role. As long as you can steer it, that's fine. And I'm still waiting for my white wall tire to come in so I can finish assembling the drive line. I am going to have to hand make the drive line. You guys may want to stay tuned for that because this is a different way of doing it than anyone else. So if you're curious at how I'm going to do it, you may want to stick around. Very simple, simplified, very easy to do, but I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. So I think you guys would be a lot more interested in watching it than hearing me blab my mouth about it. So, but yeah, that's how far we've gotten so far. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. If you guys want to see another build like this from the ground up, let me know in the comment section. If you guys want some building schematics of this, let me know in the comment section. And so with the information that I've gathered, this right here is the Everett Moore concept life-size replica of the Model T Ford. So right here is my 2017 bucket. You can see size comparison across there, across there. They're pretty much pretty good size. You can almost put that body there, but I wouldn't trust it. It's just really not thick enough wood here to be able to keep that one to there. So, but yeah, I appreciate it. I apologize for such a short video, but I still got some works that I'm going to do with this guy here, but that's another video. T-bucket, same thing. I tried to keep that progress with that video, this progress with this video. It adds less confusion. But unless you guys would like to see combination of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever. Combination of videos, a combination of things being done, let me know. But if you want me to stick with one project, show you how, whatever, progress, and then show you progress in a different video with the T-bucket, whatever, let me know. So, not exactly feeling good today, but I'm getting it there, little by little. Eventually, this will come off this work table once the floors are sealed, seats are sealed, and then I got underneath the seats to do. And I got to mock up the body versus the frame, the motor, drive line, all that good stuff before I can finalize this directly down onto the frame. So, appreciate you guys stopping in and watching. As always, Stay real, stay positive. Keep getting up, moving every day. You'll be glad you did. And appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping in. See you next time.